Good morning, everybody. Today, I'll discuss from chapter 4 cube and cube roots. And today, I'll discuss about cube and how to find out perfect cube number and cube roots and how to find out cube roots of a number. So first, we have to know about cube. You read this definition of cube, then you'll understand. The cube of a number is multiplying the number 3 times by itself, or the cube of a number is that number raised to the power 3. For example, if a is a number, then the cube of a will be a to the power 3. Power always be 3 plus 3. Remember this, plus 3. And I've taken here more example for 5 cube. It is also a cube number, 5 cube. That means 5 into 5 into 5. You can take negative number also. That's why minus 5. Minus 5 cube, that means minus 5 we have to write 3 times. Minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. And we can get cube for rational number also. See, 2 by 3 is a rational number and 2 by 3 cube means 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So remember that cube means when a number is multiplied by itself, how many times? 3 times. Then only you will get cube of that number. Now, how to identify that your given numbers are perfect cube or not? And in previous class, we have discussed about perfect square number. How? By prime factorization method. The same method we have to use for this also. So how to find out perfect cube number? Very simple. It's written here, a natural number is said to be a perfect cube if it is the cube of some natural number. I will explain with the example, then it will be easy for understanding. Suppose you have given that 8. You check it that 8 is a perfect cube number or not. So first step, you have to factorize, prime factorize. You have to find out all the prime factor of 8. See, you will write all the prime factor of 8, we will get 2 into 2 into 2. How many times 2 present? 3 times. That means we can write 2 to the power 3. And 2 to the power 3 means only 8. 2 to the power 3 means only 8. That means 8 is a perfect cube number because we can express 8 as a cubical form. 2 to the power 3. But see, if we'll try to find out that 12 is a perfect cube or not, for that again we have to factorize 12. So for 12 we'll get 2 into 2 into 3. But see here, 2 also not present 3 times, 3 also not present here 3 times. That means 12 is not a perfect cube number. So in this way we can find out perfect cube number. Is it clear? Now one homework for you. Try to find out all cubes of natural number from 1 to 20. All cube, that means you have to find out 1 cube is equals to 1 into 1 into 1. That means 1 only. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2. That means 8. 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3 is equals to 27. In this way you have to find out till 20. All cube of natural number. Remember this. This is your homework. Now next, some important note for you. With the example I'll try to explain here. See here, the cube of any even number. You know about even number? Cube of any even number. That means see, you can take 2 also, 4 also, 6 also, 8 also, 10 also, 12 also, all even number. You will try to find out cube of even number, always result will be even number. For example, 4 cube, that means 4 into 4 into 4, answer is 64, even number. 6 also is a even number, so 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6, answer is 260. This is also a even number. It's clear? So cube of any even number always be even number. Next, cube of odd number always be odd number. For example, you can see here cube of odd number. See, 3 cube, 3 is an odd number. Similarly, 7 cube, 7 is an odd number. If you will find out the result for this, then you will get 27, odd number, and 343, this is also odd number. So cube of odd number is always odd. Then cube of negative number always be negative. You can see here example, cube of negative number always be negative. Then cube of positive number always be positive. Very good. Cube of a positive number is always be positive. Now cube of a rational number is equals to the cube of numerator divided by cube of denominator. That means, see, this cube will come to numerator place also and denominator place also as exponent. Okay, that means 2 to the power 3 by 3 to the power 3. That means 2 present 3 times and 3 also present 3 times. So answer will be 8 by 27. For rational number, so we can find out cube. Now, how to identify that your given number are perfect cube numbers or not? So first step, I said already, that is you have to factorize your given number in prime factor. Okay, and then you have to make group for all the factors in triplets form. So let's see one example here, then only you can identify. Suppose you are going to check here 216 is a perfect cube number or not. So first step, we have to factorize in prime factor. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means 2 present 3 times and 3 also present 3 times. That means we can express 216 as 2 cube into 3 to the power cube. That means 216 is a perfect cube number. One more example, 10,640. If we will factorize, we will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. That means this is also a perfect cube number. Now I am going to explain one more example, that is 5400. If we factorize 5400, it will come 6 into 6 into 6. Then 5 into 5. That means 6 present 3 times. Okay, 6 present here 3 times. But 5 present here only 2 times. That means that 5 is not present here in cubical form. That means 5400 is not a perfect cube number. It's not a perfect cube number. Is clear? In this way you have to identify that the given numbers are perfect or not. Now from non-perfect cube number you will get 2 type of question. And first type is find the smallest number by which 5400 be multiplied so that it may become a perfect cube. That means by which number if you multiply your given this 5400, then it will become a perfect cube number. This is the question. Which number you have to multiply? So let's see. We have to factorize first. Then we will get this 6 cube and 5 square. That means if we will try to make our given number in perfect cube form, that means we have to make 5 as cubical form. And for that we need one more 5 because 5 already present here 2 times. We need one more time 5. So for that we have to multiply one more 5. That's why I wrote here exponent of 5 should be 3 to get a perfect cube. Then only you can tell this is 5. Then 5400 is a perfect cube number. So therefore 5400 should be multiplied by 5. Then only you will get a perfect cube number. Is it clear? Because 5 present here 2 times. 5 present here 2 times, that means we need one more time 5, then only it will become a perfect cube number, otherwise it will not become a perfect cube number. No need to multiply in by any 6, because 6 already present in cubical form, but 5 is not present in cubical form. We have to make this 5 in cubical form. Okay, so this way we can convert our given number, non-perfect cube given number, to a perfect cube number. Okay, now next type, find the smallest number by which again 5400 divide, so that the quotient is a perfect cube number. Now we have to divide. By which number we have to divide? We have to find out that. In same way, this one is the extra one, 5 square. This one is the extra one. That means this only we have to divide. This term only we have to divide. 5 square we have to divide. So that's why see answer 5400 we have to divide by 5 square, then only 6 cube will come, and 6 cube is a perfect cube number. So answer will be 5400 when divided by 25 will get a perfect cube number. So these two type of question you will get, by which number you have to multiply and by which number you have to divide. So according to that prime factor, you have to identify by which number you have to multiply or by which number you have to divide your given numbers. Okay, now next, cube root. First we'll learn about cube root. Definition of cube root. See here, the cube root of given number is the number which is multiplied by itself 3 times in order to create a cubic value. And symbol of cube root is this. This is the symbol of cube root. Remember, simple, this one is called square root, and when you will give here 3, then it will be cube root. It's clear? 3. Don't write like that, it will be completely wrong. 3, and here if you will give this symbol, then it is 3 square root. But always you have to write 3 the top of this symbol. Okay, top of this symbol. Remember this. Now with example I'll explain this. Cube root of 8, you have to find out cube root of 8. That means you have to write in this symbol. Then you have to factorize 8. 2 into 2 into 2. How many times 2 present? 3 times. And we know for cube always you have to make triplet. Otherwise you cannot find out any cube root or cube, perfect cube. For cube always you have to make triplet. Okay, so 3 times, for 3 times 2 will get 1 time 2. 1 time 2, because 3 times it's already present 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2, 1 triplet of 2. That means 1 2 will come out. So this is the cube root of 8. Now one note, if the given numbers are perfect cube, then only you can find out cube root, otherwise you cannot. If your given numbers are perfect cube number, then only you can find out cube root, otherwise no, you cannot find out. Next, how to find out cube roots? Same way, always you have to find out cube roots also, prime factorization method. So I'm going to explain with example only, direct. Just I wrote here some steps in the same way. That step I'll explain with example. Just you see here example. Find the cube root of 74088 of this number. Okay, so first step we have to factorize. Prime factorize. I remember that. Prime. So if we factorize this, then we'll get 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3, and 7 into 7 into 3. 7. So 2 also present in triplet form, 3 also present in triplet form, and 7 also present in triplet form. That means for 3 times 2, we'll get 1 time 2. And for 3 times 3, we'll get 1 time 3. And for 3 times 7, we'll get 1 time 7. See, for cube root. And you have to use this symbol always to get cube root of any given number. Okay. So 2 1 time, 3 1 time, 7 also 1 time. So if we multiply, we'll get 42. 42. So cube root of 74088 is 42. For negative number, we learned already. For negative, always will get negative. For positive, always will get positive. For even, always will get even. For odd, always will get odd. So this is negative. This is negative number. So for negative number, same way, first you have to factorize 3 for 3, 7 into 7 into 7. And for negative number, first you have to write. This is the first step. You have to explain in this way. Then this negative sign you have to write outside of this square, cube root. Outside of this cube root. Then you have to write all the factor 7 into 7, and for 3 times 7 we'll get 1 time 7. Minus 7 is the answer for this. Cube root of minus 343 is minus 7. Now one more example with exponent. See this one. Find the root of 2.744, b to the power 9, c to the power 6, a to the power 3. You will get this type of question in your book. That's why I took this one. So first, this way we have to express, because we have to find out cube root. See, here it is 3, cube root. So first we have to take out this decimal. And for decimal we'll get 1, and after decimal 3 digit, that's why 30, that means 1000 will get. No need to do any calculation or any operation for this, because this one already present in exponential form. Okay, now we are going to factorize our given numbers. So if we factorize our given number, then we will get 2 into 2 into 2 and 7 into 7 into 7 and 1000. When you will get any number multiple of 10, then always you have to factorize that number as a multiple of 10 only, because 1000 is a multiple of 10. So try to write in 10 into 10 into 10, because 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000 only. Now we'll take out here 2 present how many times? 3 times. That means 1 2 will come out. And 7 present how many times? 3 times. Then 7 also will come out. And 10 present how many times? Here 3 times, so 110 will come out. Okay, now we'll do for this exponential form. It is very easy. Just exponent you have to divide by 3, because we are going to find out here cube root, not square root. We are going to find out here cube root. So we have to divide our exponent by 3. So b to the power 9 is given. So 9 if we will divide by 3, we will get 3 only. C to the power 6 is given. If we will divide by 3, we will get 2. A to the power 3 is given. So 3 if we will divide, we will get 1. So all exponent we have to divide by 3. Then only we can take out our exponential form. Okay. Now 14 by 10 we can write 1.4, and b to the power 3 c square by a to the power 1. So in this way you have to calculate your all the given decimal number also and exponential form also. Remember this. This is for cube root. And you will get a 2-3 question in the last practice set from cuboid and cube. And you have learned in physics that is volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, and volume of cube is side cube. With these two formula you can solve some problem from the last practice set. I hope it's clear for you, and with the help of this video I think you can complete your this chapter 4, cube and cube roots. And in this week I'll try to give your math assignment. And before giving your math assignment, I would like to tell you that if you are willing to complete any math assignment, any kind of math assignment, it should be related to math only. And after reopening our school, you have to explain your math assignment, then only it will be complete. And I'll upload one question for your math assignment. You will get in our school website parentsalarm.com. So check it every day and try to follow all the classes and enhance your knowledge and do your work by yourself. It's a time to express yourself, and take care. Thank you. God bless you.